What's up, everyone? If you're looking for a really convenient way to purify your drinking water, you have to check out this Countertop Reverse Osmosis System. This one is really nice. I love the bright LED screen. It's really large, easy to use. So it shows your filters up here. You can select your different temperatures of water. I'm going to hit the T setting up here, 185 degrees. Push the button and it's going to slowly heat up. That hot water is going to come right on out. It does have a nice countdown timer on here as well to show you when the water is going to be done. And you can see that water is nice and hot. I'll just let that tea bag go in there. I also like how you can select the different volume on here. That way you could just push the button and it's going to give you that delivered amount of volume, which is really nice and convenient. That way you can kind of walk away and come back and you know it's not going to overfill your cup. I love that it's on the countertop, so you can just fill it up with your faucet water right in the back here. Let me show you. This comes out. You can fill up this container up to 170 ounces. So on the back, there's two filters here. They're really easy to take out. You just simply turn them and they'll come out. And you can replace them, put new ones in, set your water, slides right on top, just like that. And you're good to go. You can hear it kind of filtering the water right now. I really like this too. It has a little water tray here that's going to collect any water if it were to accidentally spill over. So what I want to do here is I have a total dissolved solids meter. I'm going to test it before and after just to show you. So before, I'm going to put this in the water. It shows us a reading of 645 ppm. So that is extremely high. You can see on the scale here, 600 is actually over the scale. So, all right. We're going to put our meter back in here. And it's going to show you, it took it all the way down to 22 ppm. That is amazing. So with this LED screen, this does have a TDS meter in it as well, built in. You can see it reads it at 815 and the water coming out at 16. So it is pretty on point for the meter that I had. I really love how easy and convenient it is to use. Sometimes those under the sink ones can be bulky and don't always fit. Like there's a big tank sometimes and it's very hard and cumbersome to get under there to install it. So this is a great option to have on your countertop. It would be great for a dorm room as well and an office too. So if you're looking for an easy and convenient way to purify your drinking water, this Countertop Reverse Osmosis System is a great choice. Thanks for watching.